Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram ad on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media button next to the whiteboard option and click to the Instagram section, and here you can find it the Instagram ad option and just tap on it. Now you create an Instagram ad and you have more option. You can add pictures from your device. You can add graphic design elements, and you can find it in the design section different templates, and just select one and step on it. In the templates you can change the photo, the text, and the color of the template. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.